Is your Black& Decker portable air conditioner making unusual water sounds? Understanding these noises is key to proper maintenance and operation. Gurgling or sloshing sounds are typically normal. These indicate water movement within the unit due to condensation, which is part of the cooling process. However, rattling, grinding, hissing, or constant clicking noises indicate more serious issues that may require professional attention. First, check the collection tank. When full, most units automatically shut off to prevent overflow. Regular emptying prevents water-related issues. For continuous drainage, ensure the hose is properly connected with a downward slope. Check for kinks, bends, or clogs that could block water flow. The drainage outlet must remain unblocked. Debris or mineral buildup can cause water backup and unusual noises. If you're not using continuous drainage, ensure the drain plug is properly sealed. A loose plug can cause leaks and affect unit performance. Regular cleaning of the condensate drain line prevents mold growth and clogs. This maintenance step reduces humidity issues and eliminates unpleasant odors. If water noises persist after these troubleshooting steps, or if you hear hissing, grinding, or electrical clicking sounds, contact a qualified technician for professional diagnosis and repair. Regular filter maintenance is crucial for preventing water noise and ensuring optimal performance. Clean your air filter every 2 weeks to maintain proper airflow and prevent overheating. Ensure adequate ventilation around your unit. Maintain at least 20 inches of clearance around air intake vents and 5 feet for the exhaust outlet. Proper spacing prevents overheating and reduces condensation issues. Keep the exhaust hose as straight and short as possible. The recommended maximum length for Black & Decker units is 5 to 7 feet. A kinked or overly long hose can cause overheating and increase condensation. Address excessive condensation by using a drain hose for continuous drainage, especially in high humidity environments. Check for insulation issues on cold pipes and ensure proper drainage to prevent water buildup. For complex issues like refrigerant leaks or persistent problems, consult a qualified technician or contact Black & Decker customer support. Professional diagnosis can prevent costly damage and ensure safe operation.